When we see a skid steer loader in the field, how should we drive it away? Open the door, get in the car. Watch your step to avoid falling. Make it a habit to close doors behind you. Insert the found key to start the car. Shift into neutral for safe driving. Press this button. Pull the right-hand gear lever backward to lift the upper arm. Pull the bucket to the right to tilt it downward. Pull left to flip the bucket up. Push the left gear lever to the right to turn the vehicle right in place. Push the left gear lever forward to move the vehicle forward. After completing the above steps, we can drive this car away without any issues. I'll be heading out now.